Building a rustic stone fire pit grill from scratch for the perfect BBQ. Turning an empty lawn into a sleek, modern patio lounge space. Creating magical glowing mushrooms using just hot glue and driftwood. Upcycling a giant tractor tire into a beautiful garden bird fountain. Turning old tires and timber into the ultimate cozy garden gazebo. Watch how a dull front entrance gets transformed into custom stone steps. Turning old tires and timber into the ultimate cozy garden gazebo. From a hole in the ground to a breathtaking backyard koi pond. Giving this house front a luxury garden makeover with decorative stones. An epic backyard overhaul complete with string lights and a fire pit. Growing a massive kiwi harvest using simple wooden garden planter boxes. Repurposing an old plastic chair into a unique concrete planter. Building a complete luxury koi pond and waterfall right in the backyard. Turning old recycled tires into a solid, stylish garden staircase.